Hello, Dad. How are you? I'm sorry, I couldn't call you last week. In fact, I had 2 projects and an exam to prepare.
Hello, Sylvie. I am very well. It's all right. I know you're busy with your studies.
Dad, I have an excellent idea.
What is it?
I think you should buy a laptop so we can talk to each other every day.
I don't need a laptop. I don't even know how to use it.
Don't worry, I'll teach you how to use it. And I'm going to create a Facebook account for you, so you can share photos with your friends.
All right, if you insist. Tomorrow, I'll go buy a laptop.
Great. Where is Mom? I want to talk to her. I miss her a lot.
Your mother went to the market. She'll call you as soon as she gets back.
Okay, Dad. I have to leave you. I have a class in 10 minutes.
All right. Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to buy a laptop. Would you recommend me a good brand?
Yes, I see. This laptop is excellent, and it's on sale right now. On the occasion of Christmas, you will have 20% off. It is the Dell brand, and it is guaranteed for 2 years.
All right. Can you show me a bit how it works?
Of course. To turn it on, you press this button. To connect to the internet, you must click on this icon.
Thank you for your help. So what is its price?
This model is at $1,000, and after a 20% discount, the final price will be $800.
Fine, I'll take it. Do you accept cards?
Yes, of course.
Okay, here's my card.
Thank you. Here is the invoice and your warranty certificate.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you for visiting.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. I'm very happy to see that you finally bought a new laptop.
You insisted so much. So, I bought it.
Mom, how are you? I called yesterday, but I couldn't find you. You were at the supermarket.
Yesterday, I went to the supermarket to buy ingredients to prepare couscous.
Mom, you made couscous. You know, it's my favorite dish. I miss couscous a lot.
Oh, my dear. Don't worry. When you come back, I will prepare it for you every day.
What happened to the laptop? It doesn't work. What a pity.
How awful! You have to visit the electronics store to file a complaint.
Of course, I will go tomorrow.
Sir, can I help you?
Yes. I just bought this laptop yesterday, and it is not getting started.
What do you mean? It doesn't work anymore.
Yes, it doesn't work anymore. I can't restart my laptop.
Did you charge it?
Of course, I charged it. Try it yourself, you'll see.
Oh, it's weird. All right, I'll send it to the repair department.
And how long will it take?
It might take 5 days.
What? 5 days? This is not possible. I need it today. I absolutely can't wait.
Sir, there is no other solution.
How come there is no other solution? You are kidding. If I buy a new laptop, it's to make it work, right?
Sir, calm down, please. I fully understand your dissatisfaction. First, let our engineer examine your computer. Can you leave us your phone number to contact you once your computer has been repaired?
Okay, but I warn you that I can't wait more than 2 days.
Understood, sir. We will do our best.
Hello Sylvie, finally the laptop is fixed.
That's good news. I too have good news for you.
What's that, Sylvie?
My exams are over and I'll be back next week.
I can't wait to see you. Come quickly.
Goodbye, see you soon.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.